Here I've got REALME 5 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select fingerprint face and password, and now go to fingerprint. So if you'd like to activate fingerprint feature, just click on add a fingerprint, and at first you have to enter the PIN code, which will be a backup to your fingerprint. So let me enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it can be this way. I know it's commonly used, but still I would like to have it. And once it's entered, you will be able to add your fingerprint. So the sensor is on the back cover of your device. It's right here, so just keep tapping on it. You will feel the phone vibrate, and here you can detect the progress. So let me show you how it looks on your home screen. Just keep tapping, and you just have to adjust the holding position. Tap on continue at first, and now just unroll the finishes edges of your fingerprint. And that's it. Click on continue, and it has been done. You've just added your fingerprint. So as you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your phone with this fingerprint only smoothly by tapping. But if you would like to someone to activate your phone without you around, he or she will be able to do it with this backup pattern. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can activate fingerprint feature in your device, how you can use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.